All right, we have this question from jamb 2002, question 16, where we are asked if P is equal to bracket open 2, 1 minus 3, 0 bracket close, and I is a 2 by 2 unit matrix. Evaluate P squared minus 2P plus 4I. Quickly in solving this, we write solution. Next, we take note of the fact that the 2 by 2 identity matrix I, a 2 by 2 identity matrix I is equal to bracket open 1, 0, 0, 1 bracket close. Now, if I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, it therefore means that 4I be equal to bracket open. We have 4 here. We have 1, 0, 0, 1 bracket close. This will give us bracket open. 4 times 1 we have 4. 4 times 0 will give us 0. 4 times 0 will give us 0. 4 times 1 will give us 4 bracket close. Next, we find our value for P squared. And we have the fact that P squared is equal to P times P. That is, our value for P is a bracket open 2, 1 minus 3, 0 bracket close, bracket open 2, 1 minus 3, 0 bracket close. And this will be equal to bracket open. In multiplying our values in matrix, we multiply rows against column. So we're going to have 2 times 2 plus 1 times bracket open minus 3 bracket close. Next, we have 2 times 1 plus 1 times 0. Next, move down and we have minus 3 times 2 plus 0 times bracket open minus 3. All right. Now we have next minus 3 times 1 plus 0 times 0 bracket close. All right. This will be equal to bracket open 2 times 2 give us 4 plus 1 times minus 3 will end up having bracket open minus 3. 2 times 1 will give us 2 plus 1 times 0 gives us 0. Minus 3 times 2 give us minus 6 plus 0 times minus 3, we're going to have 0. Next, we have a minus 3 times 1 gives us minus 3. 0 times 0 obviously gives us 0, so we just put plus 0 there. All right. Okay. Now this is equal to bracket open 4 plus minus 3, we have 1. 2 plus 0 gives us a 2. Minus 6 plus 0, we have minus 6. Minus 3 plus 0 obviously gives us a minus 3. Bracket close. Next, we look for our value for 2p. Value for 2p. 2p is equal to 2 bracket open. Recall our value for p as 2, 1 minus 3, 0 bracket close. Now this is equal to 2 times 2 gives us 4. 2 times 1 we have 2. 2 times minus 3 we have minus 6. 2 times 0 we have 0. All right. Now having gotten our value for 2p. We can now proceed to find our value for p squared minus 2p plus 4i. Therefore, we have a p squared minus 2p plus 4i. Now all these will be equal to, all these finally will be equal to, brackets open. We recall our value for p squared earlier on is 1, 2, minus 6, minus 3, right? Bracket our value minus our value for 2p, which we just got as a bracket open, 4, 2, minus 6, 0, bracket close, plus our value for 4i, bracket open, 4, 0, 0, 4, bracket close. Now all these be equal to, bracket open, 1 minus 4 plus 4. Next we have a 2 minus 2 plus 0. Next we have minus 6 minus bracket open minus 6, okay, plus 0. All right, we have a minus 3 minus 0 plus 4, bracket close. All right, bracket open, okay, equal to, bracket open, 1 minus 4 plus 4 gives us 1. This gives us 1. Then 2 minus 2 plus 0 gives us 0. Minus 6 minus bracket open minus 6 bracket close plus 0 ends up giving us 0. We have minus 3 minus 0 plus 4. This will give us 1. Bracket close. Therefore means that our answer is bracket open, 1, 0, 0, 1, bracket close. Thank you.